If you are an educator and you know the importance of incorporating singing and music into your classroom, but you do not have a singing voice, you are my kind of person. I do not have a great singing voice at all. I really just cannot carry a tune. I have a hard time hearing the correct notes, but that doesn't mean I don't love music or enjoy music, and it doesn't mean that my students cannot enjoy it. I tell you, when I started singing and playing ukulele in the classroom, the kids do not care. Yes, try your best, do your best, but ultimately, you are not being a music teacher to teach these kids all the specifics about music theory and singing. You are teaching them the joy of music, and you are giving them a pathway to engage with their learning that is fun, regulating, and we can all relate to it. So don't not sing because you don't think that you have a good enough voice. I promise there's probably more people that have a hard time carrying a tune than those that have these beautiful voices leading songs in the classroom. So if that's something that is holding you back, it's okay. Most of us can't sing. But that doesn't mean you can't experience the joy of singing in the classroom. How do you introduce a song? How do you teach a song if you aren't a singer and you don't know music? Start with the lyrics. Say the lyrics to the students. One line at a time. Repeat after me. I say the line, the class says it back. Really teach them the words of the song first. Not even really worrying about the tune of the song, kind of just teaching the words, reading it more as a poem. Then you want to teach any movements that go with the words at the same time. And that will help with that whole body, whole brain teaching for them to learn the motions to the song, but also relate those motions to the lyrics. Once the kids are getting more comfortable and more confident and independent in understanding the lyrics and the motions, then start adding in more of the tune of the song. Make sure you are helping them understand the difference between shouting and singing. We're not shouting the song, we're singing the song. We're doing our best to make group music together, not shouting as loud as we can. Once you have all that down, they're singing the song with the motions, then you can bring in whatever instrument it is that you want to incorporate with that singing. Again, once you get the whole group, the whole class singing, your voice really just becomes a little bit of a lead. Maybe it's a word to remind them of the line that's coming next. It is not about becoming a performer or a professional musician if you are trying to add more singing and live music in your teaching. That's not what this is about. It's about helping students learn, engage with their learning, and to make teaching more fun and creative the way it was meant to be. So have fun, go sing your heart out, and I can't wait to hear all the stories about how singing has really helped bring more joy to your teaching.